New multi-vendor supply chains from the Open Compute Project. So this week, very happy to announce our efforts around adding new dimensions and new services to the OCP supply chain. And one of those areas is around security for hardware and firmware by announcing OCP Safe with a security appraisal framework and enablement. And this is a community-led effort to drive device vendor checklists through certified and validated security review providers, providing an extra level of conformance around security for hardware and firmware. And so we expect this to have two big impacts in the market. One is to reduce the overhead and the redundancy associated with audits. The way it happens today in many cases, that a security audit firm may be required to do the same type of audit on a particular device for multiple customers. So there's a lot of redundancies in the market. So we hope to eliminate that by having a standard community-led checklist. The second is around the ripple effect across the industries. So while many of these audits may be applicable to some of the higher volume hyperscale customers, in many cases enterprises can benefit for those type of devices where maybe I don't have the resources to go do my own audit. I can leverage what's happening within OCP Safe to review the audits that are done on those security devices. So this is just one example of the way that OCP is taking a particular problem within the industry, solving it through the community, and then developing a net new supply chain. And we're doing that in a couple other areas which I'll highlight. One is around modular hardware systems. So in the past, we've had this uniform monolithic type of system. With the new data center modular hardware system specifications, you have multiple vendors providing these interconnectivity areas that allow a uniform type of system, but with modularity components. So we have several vendors that are taking these modular components associated with the specifications and taking them to market. We have 2 right now, and we're expecting many more in the coming months around data center secure control modules. And the last is around OCP Experience Centers. We have now 20 worldwide. The program was just launched a year ago, with our latest 2 from HP and Scaleway providing open source firmware labs in both Paris and Houston. So through these OCP Experience Centers, I can evaluate the hardware, I can test the hardware, I can be on premise, or I can be virtual. It really is an extension of our supply chain and allowing new members to understand the ecosystem and our current members to partner with others to deliver new supply opportunities and markets. So again, 3 big areas I'm excited around the channel: OCP Safe, Modular Hardware Systems, and the OCP Experience Center continue to grow. Thanks.